Chapter 13. How we travel.
The invention of the wheel has been a blessing for mankind. We see hundreds of vehicles like cars, scooters, buses and bicycles on the roads every day. These are called means of transport. Transport is the lifeline of every country. It connects people and it is used for carrying goods from one place to another. We cannot use the same means of transport to go to every place. The type of transport we use depends on the distance we need to travel, the nature of the route and the money we can spend. Transport can be broadly divided into three categories: land, air and water. Land transport. Vehicles that move on land are the means of land transport. Cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles, scooters, etc. are the means of land transport. Land transport is of two kinds: road and rail. We use scooters, motorcycles, and cars mostly within the city. We need to travel by bus or train when we go to far-off places or another city. Trucks are mainly used for transporting goods from one part of the country to another by road. India has a large railway network connecting all parts of the country. Today trains are the better means of transport as they can carry many passengers and heavy goods. A train has an engine and coaches for carrying people and wagons for carrying goods. In Mumbai, people travel by local trains. In Delhi and Kolkata, many people travel by metro train. The animals like bullocks, camels and horses are commonly used as means of transport in villages, deserts and mountains. These are the oldest means of transport. In deserts, camels are used to pull carts and carry people. Elephants are an important means of transport in thick forests. People in hilly regions use ponies and mules as means of transport. Water transport. Water transport is the earliest means of transport. Vehicles that sail on water are the means of water transport. Boats, steamers and ships are some means of water transport. Small boats are used by people to move from one place to another, usually for a short distance and also for fishing. Ships sailing in seas and oceans are used for carrying oil and goods from other countries to India. Ships carrying oil are called tankers. A place to anchor the ships is known as a port or harbour. Air transport. Aeroplanes, helicopters and fighter planes are means of transport which move in the air. People and goods can be transported to long distances in less time by the aeroplanes. The aeroplanes are the fastest but the costliest means of transport. They take off from land in a place called airport. Most of the cities in India have airports where planes land and take off. Sometimes, helicopters are also used. They are mostly used in remote and hilly areas for rescue operations.